Hello, and thank you for joining me. I want to apologize. Somehow I deleted the original tutorial on how to make this laundry hamper. So I'm going to try my best to give you step-by-step instructions on how to make one. First, you're going to glue using E6000 and hot glue both laundry baskets together, opening to opening. Once you've allowed that to dry, you're going to cut off one of the laundry basket's bottom part. I used a box cutter to remove the bottom part of one of these laundry baskets. My laundry baskets were white, but I chose to spray paint them black. You can easily leave them white or spray paint them any color you choose. Once your spray paint is dry, you're going to get one of the one of the pillowcases from Dollar Tree, and where the seam is at of the pillowcase, you're going to cut a little opening on either side of that seam, and you're going to run a ribbon through the top of the pillowcase. And you're going to do that in order for you to tie a bow on the top of the laundry basket so your pillowcase won't fall through when you put your clothes in there. Once you've completed that, you're going to get the placemats of your choice. I used 2 of each color, and you're going to weave it through the laundry baskets. And also, where you glued both baskets together, make sure you run in hot glue one of the ribbons to cover up any of the openings, like that. I put 2 of the ribbons through each one of the openings of the laundry basket, but you can do whatever you choose to do. You can put 3 or just 1 of the ribbons, placemat ribbons through there. And that's how you make this clothes hamper. I hope you understood all my steps, and thank you for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.